Hey everybody, welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we're making a creamy penne alla vodka with shrimp and scallops. So we're going to start with the shrimp and scallops, which I have peeled and deveined the shrimp, and I've also cleaned and cut the scallops up because they were pretty big. I have them on a paper towel to kind of dry them out to help with the cooking process, and I've already seasoned them with seasonal, ground cayenne pepper, this peppercorn medley, and some Goya seasoning, which this seasoning turns whatever you season it with red. So that's where the red color is coming from. We're going to cook some penne, and we're going to cook that for about 14 minutes. And then after it's done, you're going to strain the pasta and just reserve it for later. I have some cherry tomatoes that I cut in half and took the seeds out, sliced mushrooms, diced yellow bell peppers, and sliced red onions. So I have a pan here, and I'm just going to put some extra virgin olive oil in it, and I'm going to sear the scallops first. So you just want to cook the scallops until they're done. If your scallops feel rubbery and texture, then you've overcooked them. So you kind of want to get a nice happy medium when you're cooking your scallops. And your shrimp, a good tip for that is if they form a circle, that means they've been cooked way too long. So you just want to keep your eye on shellfish. It really doesn't take that long to cook, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. This took a little bit longer because I had more in a pan. And I have the Alla Vodka sauce in the pot. It actually came from a jar, so it's nothing wrong with using a jar sauce, I put some heavy cream in there and shook it up to get the rest of the contents out of the jar and season it with the same seasonings I used earlier. So here is the shrimp. They look about done. So I am going to add the scallops back because I took them out so that I could cook the shrimp, and I left about a minute left of cooking time so I could finish cooking the shrimp and scallops together along with the vegetables. I didn't want the vegetables to be, overdone. I still wanted a little bit of crunch to them, so that's why I only took about a minute or two to cook the vegetables. Afterwards, I'm just going to season my pasta with a little bit of pepper, as you can see. And then I added that to the penne, to the sauce, and then I stirred it up. And as I said earlier, if you don't know how to make something, you can buy a box of something to help you until you learn how to make it yourself. But as long as you add fresh ingredients to it, it'll taste good. It's like doctoring it up, to fit your palate. And so everything is done now here. So I'm just going to mix them together and serve them. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you leave me some comments below and hit the subscribe button. Right next to the subscribe button is a bell button. Make sure you hit that button to get notifications when I post. Check the description box below because I have recipes and other things down there. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.